And somehow we ended up coming across plant-based. And we was just like, yo, this is something we've never tried before. And so let's give it a shot. And so as we started giving it a shot, one of the things we kept doing was we kept learning. We kept going to different seminars for doctors. We kept going to online events that doctors were holding. We were reading lots of books, doing a lot of different things. And let me tell you, like, also at this time, like, one of the reasons we didn't talk about this openly, and I wasn't talking about it openly at that time, a lot of these doctors who were helping people to transition to get away from a lot of these illnesses and sickness, they was mysteriously coming up dead. A guy, the best way I can say it is like someone committing suicide, shooting themselves twice in the head. I don't know how that's possible, but that was something that kept happening and coming up. And so we became real conservative and quiet about what we were doing inside the home and how we were changing our life. And so as we kept changing and started getting better at transitioning to plant-based, getting more alkaline, detoxing our body, doing all of these things, I started seeing parts of my health come back that I wasn't even looking for.